Hi everyone, I am Ahmad Qudan, and I'm very excited to show you how you can use MemSQL to query a table with billions of rows in milliseconds. MemSQL is a distributed relational database which supports a wide range of use cases. One of the most popular use cases is the real-time data warehouse. Real-time data warehouse means you can stream and load data in real time into your data warehouse, and the data is instantly available for analysis and aggregation. So without any further delay, let's go to the demo. Here is the word cloud table, which I'm using to store streams of data collected in real time from Twitter public API. Each tweet is broken down to its words before being stored in the word cloud table. So each tweet will appear several times in this table, once for each word in the tweet. Let's first get the count of records in the table. As you can see, we have 15.5 billion records in this table, and let's copy this number for reference. Okay, and if you take a look here, you will find out that this query came back in only 30 milliseconds. If you want to see the table structure, we'll run this query. Here you see that we have a tweet ID, we have the word, we have the posted time, and we have a bunch of other fields that are used to filter the table and used for slicing and dicing the table, including the tweet body itself is here. So this is a pretty wide table. Each record size is greater than 1K in size, and the total size of a decompressed version of this table is more than 20 terabytes. Now let's generate the word cloud. This is the query responsible for generating the word cloud. It basically counts the occurrences of each word and then order the output result based on the highest occurrences first, then limits the output to the desired number of words. This query will only show today's data, and hence we have this filter here, posted time greater than current date. And I'm filtering out all emojis, and I'm also interested in English language only. So let's go ahead and run this one. As you can see, the word cloud came out, the word cool appeared around 400,000 times, and the result came back in 151 milliseconds. And if you think that this great performance happened because we are only looking at recent data, today's data, and we are looking at only 1 day worth of data, then let me show you the next query, which runs against a complete week from the past. This is the last week of 2017, and let's run this one. Wow, here is the output, and the result came back in only 97 milliseconds. This is less than 1/10 of a second. This is really super mind-blowing and blazing performance. And believe me, I spent my career working with relational databases from SQL Server to Oracle and whatever there in the market, and I can comfortably say that you cannot achieve this result with other vendors before you invest a huge amount of dollars, sometimes in millions, in both hardware and software. While with MemSQL you can run on commodity hardware, and its license price is a fraction of the other vendor's license cost. Okay, let me go back again to the first query one more time and execute it. This is the new count. As you can see, we have loaded almost 100,000 rows to this table while we were doing this demo. So data were being ingested in real time into the table while we are executing these queries. Finally, what I left to say that I'm running a 5-node MemSQL cluster with 1 master and 4 workers. Each worker has 2 socket CPUs. Each socket has 12 cores, and each server has 256 GBs of RAM. And let me take you to the cluster itself. Here is the cluster. As you can see that we are only utilizing a very small portion of RAM from each server. So here the utilization is only 37 GBs, here is 35, this one is 64 for some reason. Okay, but I can comfortably say that if you have the same number of nodes with like 40 GBs of RAM on each one of them, then you will be able to achieve the same performance that I'm getting here. At the end, if you have enjoyed this video and if you wish to achieve the same performance with your system, then please feel free to drop me a message. Thanks for watching.